In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert SBI savings account to salary account online. Now, this is a quick process video. Without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. Now, the first thing you need to do is to go to the SBI branch where your existing savings account is held. Take along identity proof, address proof, and 2 recent passport size photos and any necessary related salary documents. After that, request the bank for the form, or you can also download the account conversion form online, complete it, and specify your current savings account number and details of your employer's salary account plan. And after that, provide your employer's letter of official documents. Now, once submitted, SBI typically processes the conversion within a few business days. You'll be informed when the transaction is complete. I hope this video was helpful. As always, thank you for watching.